Welcome back, traders. It's Friday, March 28th, and you know the drill. Protect your profits. Don't let the market take back what you earned this week. As always, a small recap of previous day. Key level 5,772, the weekly high, was tested twice. After a push into the RTH cap at 5,722, buyers reacted only to fade into a failed breakout. We close around the weekly open back to balance. We have PCE index hitting pre-open, so expect a little movement. Stay sharp during the first minute of the open. Let's break down today's game plan. On the 10-day volume profile, we see that the POC shifted 40 points up to 5,752. This will be a key pivot. Price is sitting just underneath, so stay alert for weakness if we can't reclaim it. The weekly chart is still one time framing up, but the daily flipped to one time framing down. We are trading below 5,783 value area low right here, and underneath our weekly POC at 5,815. A break below last week's POC at 5,716 opens a path through this low volume node right here. Beware of this yesterday's doji, which signals indecision. On the 2-hour delta chart, we see strong absorption above 5,777, right where we saw Wednesday big buy levels. This means that we see more passive participation between last week's high and the single prince high and the weekly VWAP. The TPO profile shows a clean push below 5,743. The excess below 5,733 suggests attempted shakeouts. Still no real commitment right here. On the 1-hour chart, we see that strike prices are very wide today, with a high at 5,975 and a low at 5,600. So we can safely ignore it for a bit. We see price slicing through this gap right here, filling the structure, and our daily structure stays relatively bearish with lower highs, lower lows, and clear break of structures, so the momentum favors more downside. As for a game plan, my line in the sand will be 5,738, which lines up with the weekly open and our break of structures right here. Bulls will open above 5,743, targeting 5,756, 5,772 and 5,790. If we reject 5,735, bears will target 5,718, 5,700 flat and 5,682. So guys, as it is Friday, this is your warning. If the market looks unclear and indecisive, don't force trades. Enjoy the weekend with some profit in your pocket. As always, like, subscribe, and if you're serious about strategy, check out my Sentinel playbook and newsletter in the description. Daily structure, zero noise. I will see you at Sunday's Outlook.